Today we are going to solve another PYQ. The question is, with reference to non-fungible tokens, NFTs, consider the following statements. It's a question of 2022. So the first option is, they enable the digital representation of physical assets. They are unique cryptographic tokens that exist on a blockchain. Third option is, they can be traded or exchanged at equivalency and therefore can be used as a medium of commercial transactions. Which of the statements given above are correct? 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. So first we will understand that what is NFT, what is non-fungible tokens. So non-fungible tokens are basically certificates that are assigned for physical assets like properties, like art, some painting, etc. So the first option says they enable the digital representation of physical assets. So yes, they are digital certificates that represent the physical assets. So they enable the digital representation of physical assets. So the first option is correct. Second, they are unique cryptographic tokens that exist on a blockchain. This option is also correct. Basically, non-fungible tokens run on blockchain technology only, and they get unique cryptographic tokens. All right, so they are unique cryptographic tokens that exist on blockchain. So this option is also correct. Third option, they can be traded or exchanged at equivalency and therefore can be used as a medium of commercial transactions. This option is wrong. They can't be traded or exchanged at equivalency. They are not equivalent. For example, like rupees 100 note. If I have a rupees 100 note, I can exchange that rupees 100 note with my friend's rupees 100 note. Like my friend has a note of rupees 100 and I also have a note of rupees 100. We both can exchange each other's note of rupees 100. Both rupees 100 note carry the same value. But if I have made a painting, some scenery, and my friend have also made a painting, some scenery, but we can't exchange each other's painting because the value of each other's painting is different. My painting is different, my friend's painting is different. We can't exchange that. So in this case, painting will be non-fungible, whereas rupees 100 note will be fungible. So painting can't be exchanged. All right, they are not equivalent. Second example, we can see like I have shoes of Adidas, all right, and my friend has shoes of Nike. All right, my friend want my shoes, I want my friend's shoes, but the price of both the shoes are different. So we won't exchange each other's shoes because the price are different. Our shoes is special for us, for us, our emotions are attached to that shoes. All right, so we can't exchange that. So here the option says they can be traded or exchanged at equivalency and therefore can be used as a medium of commercial transactions. No, it's wrong, they're not equivalent. They can't be traded or exchanged at equivalency for medium of commercial transactions. All right, which of the statement given above are correct? So accordingly, option 1 and 2 will be correct. So the correct answer is option A, 1 and 2 only. Alright, thank you so much. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel and you can also join me in this series. Thank you.